So two roads, the road not taken. The name of the poem is The Road Not Taken. Two roads diverge in a yellow wood. Okay. So two roads diverged means two roads are there. One is going one side, another is going another side. And sorry, I could not travel both. I am coming from one direction and I cannot go in both. I had to go in this direction or I have to go in that direction. Understood? Okay. And be one traveler. Okay. So I am the only one traveler. How can I go in both? Okay. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could. Okay. So when I was at the beginning, I stood for a long time and looked down one. So I looked down this one of the road. Okay. One of the road as far as I could, as far as I could see. Okay. To where it bent, it was bending somewhere, going in other direction. So I saw up to as far as I could see, and where it bent. So it bent perhaps here, okay, perhaps in one place. In the undergrowth, there is some bushes here. There are some bushes this place, okay, at this place. So up to that I saw. Then took the other, okay, as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim. But I did not go in this way, in that way, but I took the other. I stood here, okay, and then saw it as far as possible. Then I took the other road. Why other road? Because, okay, it was perhaps having the better claim. So it was claiming, means it was asking me to go in that way. Okay, it was asking me to go that way, because in this way many people are going. In the first way, many people are going. In the second way, there was no people going. Okay, so it is the second way is asking me to go in that way. Okay, and perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted where. Okay, this side was grassy. Nobody is going in that way. Okay, that side. So it wanted where? It wanted some people should go over it. But that side, first side was not grassy. If people are going, so there is no grass there, right? It is wanting where means it is wanting to, where means to go, to be removed. Grass is wanting to be removed. Wanted where, means that is different thing. Wanted where means it was lacking where. Nobody is going on that way. So it is lacking the where means it is fully grassy. Okay, it is not okay. Though as for that, the passing there had warned them really about the same. Okay, though as for that, the passing there, passing, that means the road there had warned them really about the same. Okay. And both that morning equally lay. Equally lay. Both are equally laying. Okay. Both that morning equally lay. They are equally laying. Laying means they are staying. 41. Equally lay. In leaves. No step had trodden black. Trodden means nobody has gone. In leaves. So equally lay in leaves. So what they were having equally? They were having equally leaves. Leaves. Okay? Lay in the leaves. Leaves were falling on them. Leaves. No step had trodden black. Okay? Nobody has gone over them. Oh, I kept the fast for another day. I did not go in the fast way. I did not go in the fast way. I kept it for another day. I will go another day. I will not go today. Okay. Yet knowing how way leads on to way. Okay. That means how another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way. So, understood? So, I am going in this way and going to in another way, then another way. Okay. So, I am knowing how way leads to way. So, after one way, another way is coming out. Understood? I am knowing. I am just learning. I doubted if I should ever come back. Because, so, right? I doubted if I should ever. I am now knowing which way I am going. I am keeping it in for another day. But I don't know whether I will come back and go in that way. I have thought that I will go it in another way, go in this way in another day. Okay. But if I will come back, if I would come back. So he is saying that if he would come back, he would go in that way, in the first way. But he doubted if I ever come back. He may not be coming back. Right? I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere edges and edges hence. If I would not come back, I will tell in very sigh. Okay, in low voice. I will say, okay, to everybody that I could not go in that way. Somewhere edges and edges hence. Two roads diverge in a wood. Dita road thile, and I took the one less travelled by. ଏଇ ବାଟେ କେହି ଲୋକ ଯାଉନଥିଲେ, less travelled by, ମୁଁ ସେଇ ବାଟେ ଗଲି. ବୁଝିପାରିଲ? And that has made all the difference. And I could not come back. Understood? And right? I could not come back and I could not go in that way. So that means what is trying to tell? ଆସିଲେ ଯଦି ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆସିଲେ ତ ଆସିଲେ ଆଉ କଣ ସେ ଫୋନ କରିବେନି କି ହେଲା so ଦେଖ I shall be telling this with a sigh somewhere edges and edges hence two roads diverge in a wood and I took the one less travelled by. That means he was going in a different way where people are not going. He was doing some rare things, right? Some good things which many people are not doing. Okay? He was doing some good things, and that has made all the difference. That means Huh? So that has made his life, changed his life. Huh? That's why he has become so great. Understood? Because he had come in a different road. Okay? Huh? So you should also learn this and try to go in the different roads, which is okay. Huh?